Hey, welcome to the Dropship Podcast. And it's just me here today. In fact, I wrote a little something for you and I want to read it to you. So I've got a question for you. How bad do you want it? You've said it before. I want to travel more. I want to quit this job. I want to start my own thing. I want to spend more time with my kids. I want to work hard, but work hard for me. I want to know the hours I put in, the time I sacrifice is going to my business, not someone else's. Some of you listening have been thinking about starting a business for weeks, months. Heck, some of you have been listening for years. Jim Rohn says, we must all suffer from one of two pains, the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. The difference is discipline weighs ounces while regret weighs tons. One of the things that drives me personally is thinking about laying on my deathbed and saying, what if? What if I would have done that thing? What if I actually gave my all? Or thinking about my kids. What will their memory of dad be? Will it be the dad that was always there, or was he slaving away at something he hated? Will it be a feeling of admiration and respect from watching me pursue my dreams, or sadness from watching me play it safe? Will their memories be filled with all the amazing places we traveled to as a family, all the experiences we had together, the days I said, work can wait, and we went to Target Field, or the memories of missing yet another practice, or game, or recital? That shit keeps me up at night. Better yet, that shit lights me up every single morning. But let's shift gears from the haunting whispers of regret and talk about the moment of decision. It's that heart-pounding point where you stare down the what-ifs and decide it's time to rewrite your story. It's more than just making a choice. It's about mustering the courage to say, enough is enough. I'm taking charge. This moment isn't about dismissing your fears, but acknowledging them and choosing to move forward anyway. Right now, as you listen to this, you have the power to change the trajectory of your life. So I ask you once again, how bad do you want it? It's not about wanting more. It's about deciding to do more, starting right now. Take that first step. Commit to making today the day you stop dreaming and start doing. Pull out your phone right now. Visit dropshipbreakthru.com/call and schedule a time to speak with someone on our team about starting your journey. That's exactly what I did on January 11th, 2015. I stopped just thinking about this and took action. And I want to share with you what my timeline actually looked like. So January 2015, I bought a course. April 2015, I made my first sale. And just so you know, that's actually kind of slow to make your first sale. If you know anything about my story, you'll understand all the fears I went through back then. January 2016, I sold my business for a year's pay. So 1 year later, I sold my business for a year's pay at the Walmart distribution center. And in May/June, somewhere in there, 2016, I worked my last day at a traditional job and haven't had a job ever since. Almost 8 years at this point. So imagine this. You start today, and if your trajectory even remotely follows mine, you could be in a radically different place by next September. So I'm going to ask you once more, how bad do you want it? It will be next September before you know it. But what you do for the next year plus is entirely up to you. You could be in the exact same place, still dreaming about how life could be different, or you could take action and actually make a change. So what's it going to be? Don't let another day slip by just dreaming. It's time to turn those dreams into reality. Think about where you want to be and what you want to achieve. Now hold that vision in your mind, because that's the future if you decide to take action. You're not alone in this either. Our team is ready to guide you every step of the way, from selecting your niche to making your first sale and beyond. We've helped countless others just like you, people who were hesitant, unsure, but took that leap of faith. And we've got a whole community of people in our private Slack channel who are fighting for a new life just like you. So what's holding you back? Is it fear of failure? Remember, every successful person you admire once stood exactly where you are right now, including myself. And they made the decision to move forward despite their fears. And remember, it's not just about the money or the freedom. It's about who you become in the process. It's about becoming someone who doesn't back down, who faces challenges head on, who builds a life on their own terms. So are you ready to be that person? Are you ready to build something you're proud of? If the answer is yes, then let's get started. Don't wait for that perfect moment. It doesn't exist. Your time is right now. Let's make today a day you'll look back on with pride, knowing it was the start of everything. To get started, simply go to dropshipbreakthru.com/call, book your call, and let's begin this journey together. Don't put off your dreams any longer. Let's make them a reality. Thank you for tuning in. And remember, the question isn't just how bad do you want it? It's, are you ready to work for it? Cheers. Thanks for listening to the Dropship Podcast. You can find all the show notes for this episode at dropshippodcast.com. And if you're ready to take the next step in your dropshipping journey, we invite you to join us inside Dropship Breakthru, where John and I will walk you through step by step in starting your own high-ticket dropshipping e-commerce business. But that's not all. Dropship Breakthru will also teach you everything you'll need to know to grow your business and take it to the next level. So head over to dropshipbreakthru.com and sign up for our free training that will help you take the first steps towards building and growing your own profitable high-ticket dropshipping business.